Hi there, Elaine here with WTI. For those of you who are forever coffee drinkers or takes forever to drink your coffee, then you need a SWEETFULL coffee warmer and mug. I love the sleek design and color of this ceramic cup. It has a great feel on your hands and the black mat is beautiful. It fills up 12 ounces and that's just the perfect size for me. A feature that I really love is that when you turn it on, it lights up and you're able to see that your coffee is warming up all day long. So whether you're a coffee drinker and you love to talk to your plants, or you're working at your desk and you want to keep that tea warm all day, this SWEETFULL coffee mug warmer is the best and I just love it. So keep your coffee or your tea warm as long as it takes you to drink it. You will love this SWEETFULL coffee mug and warmer just as much as I do. I highly recommend it, and that's just my point of view.